Advantage Summit. So the summit, or the final day of the summit, opened with opening energy from learning to leading. So Dean Graziosi set the tone by stressing that day three was about ownership, moving from being a consumer of AI knowledge to becoming a leader who applies it. So they also talked about AI playbooks for business. So they introduced ready to use AI playbooks, step by step guides for marketing, sales, and operations. So attendees could implement strategies immediately. So there was also a live session which showed how Replit allows anyone, even non-coders, to create AI-powered apps and automations quickly, lowering the barrier to entry by the CEO of and the founder of Replit himself, Mr. Amjad. So they also talked about AI agents, the next evolution. So they explained how autonomous AI agents can handle multi-step tasks, which are research, scheduling, and reporting with minimal human oversight, hitting the future of work. So there was also a talk about scaling through systems. So there was a case study where her team achieved one of the speakers' team achieved 11 times the growth by embedding AI into repeatable workflows, proving that systems just not effort and but it's driving scale. So yeah, they also later talked about AI clones for education and coaching. So there were some showcases of AI clones, digital versions of a coach or teacher's voice and style, used to deliver personalized learning and coaching at a scale. So there were also tool demos and practical applications. There was walkthrough of ChatGPT, Canva, and Notion AI, highlighted how to create branded content, play campaigns, and streamline workflows in minutes. So there was also a monetization pathway. So the session mapped out on how to turn AI skills into income, from packaging services and creating subscription products to launching AI enhanced courses. So the closing challenge, which was action over perfection. So the final day ended with a challenge. Choose one tool, one workflow, and one community to commit to this week. The message is progress beats perfection. So day three of the AI Adventure Summit was about execution and future proofing. It gave attendees the tools, demos, and systems on how to just experiment with the help of AI, but to build as well as experiment with AI, a sustainable business and community around it. The clear takeaway is AI is no longer optional. It's the infrastructure of tomorrow's success, and momentum comes from taking action now. So thank you so much for watching my review, and I hope you enjoyed it. Allah Hafiz.